Hey, what's up guys? Gian here of Gadget Pilipinas. So, nakabalik na kami from the Legion Asia Pacific Tour. And that's where they showcase the products that they recently announced, yung Legion 9i, saka yung Legion glasses, and of course the Legion Go. The highlight of my trip is of course the Legion Go, which is coming to the Philippines. At sobrang excited ako because they already announced the price. It is 49,995, and there are a few freebies if you are going to order starting November 15, which is about 8 days from now. Ngayon, what are the things that I actually experienced at the Lenovo Asia Pacific Tour? Number one is I got to try the Legion Go. The Legion Go, huge display, detachable controllers, napakaraming pwedeng gawin. No? It's running on AMD Ryzen Z1 Extreme, which is pretty much the same, not pretty much, it's the same thing that you can find on the ROG Ally. But this time, the Legion Go has an LPDDR 5X RAM, which is a little different compared to the one on the Ally. That kind of balanced things out, no, because it has a bigger display. Now, in terms of battery life, there's no way for me to comment on that yet, but there was a time where there is this particular review, or not review unit, but a unit, no, na naka-display doon. 60% siya nung nakita ko siya. And I was testing the unit with Lies of P. I was playing it, and it only dropped about 2%. No? I was playing it for about 5 minutes or so. And that is a big deal. Kasi if I compare that to some of the handheld gaming devices I tried in the past, yung 5 minutes na yun, 2 to 5 minutes na yun, can already drop the unit, the battery, by the way, for about 5% already, kung 1 minute per usage yan. It's an interesting device, no, if I may say, and I cannot wait to review that very soon. No, now that it is announced that it's coming to the Philippines, no, it is going to, of course, get a lot of interest from a lot of consumers. Syempre, hatiyan, some would think that, mas mura pa rin yung iba para dyan. At the end of the day, it's going to be your choice, going to be your money, should you are going to buy it or not. No? Now, before I move on to the other products that they announced at the venue, I would like to touch on the price of the Legion Go because some would probably think that it's a little more expensive than they expected. True, no? Mas mahal talaga siya ng konti. If you compare that directly to the US price is $699 if you're going to buy the 512 gig. That is about 10,000 cheaper compared to the PH price, the Philippine price. And then again, you have to consider import duties, taxes, also exchange rate guarantee, and everything. And if you're going to buy that directly from Amazon, you would probably pay for about 57,000 from the original price, which is way a lot, no? That's about 17,000 pesos na kailangan mong bayaran for custom duties and taxes. That, of course, is still pricier compared to the US price. If you're going to the US, of course, syempre, ang masasabi ko sa iyo is you just buy there, no? Pero kung pupunta ka ng US, kung may kaibigan kang parating, pwede kang pabili doon if you want that. But then again, you have to consider also warranty. Now, when you buy the Legion Go in the Philippines, you get 2-year on-site warranty. You also get a protector, a case, a headphone, no? Those are the freebies that you get from Lenovo. The 2-year on-site warranty is the more important part if you're going to get that. Yeah, so that's what you get, no? Ikaw na bahala mag-isip kung worth it ba yung dadagdag mong presyo. But now let's move on to the next one, which is the Legion glasses, which is surprisingly also coming to the Philippines with an introductory price of 21,995. It's coming about first quarter of 2024. Also pretty exciting. Now, what can I say about this? It is still cheaper than the Nreal Air 2, no? I got to try the Legion glasses, and there are a couple of things that I can say about it. Number one is it really does work like an Nreal Air, and like other AR devices found in the market right now. I have the Nreal Air glasses, and one of my issues with Nreal Air glasses is that you will have to put on a black cover para lang at least it will obstruct the field of view para nang sa ganun ay mas malinaw yung lumabas na display on the glass, no? In the case of the Legion glasses, there is a button on the right side where it dims down the glass so that you will still be able to use it na hindi mo kailangan magpatong ng black cover. No? That is also found on the X-Trail Air 2, which is about 25,000 pesos if you buy directly from Amazon. Now, I'm not sure if some are already selling the X-Trail Air 2 locally in the Philippines. I guess there are already some people selling that. 21,995 is a competitive price, if I may say. But then again, you're basically buying a glorified larger screen on your eyes, no? Ganun lang siya, no? I tried it on the iPhone 15 Pro Max, no? And it actually works, no? Ang nangyari sa kanya is sinaksa ko siya, and then syempre yung display is it gets projected to the glasses. Now what happened is that when I started playing a video, ang nangyari sa kanya is nag-change yung view. Para siya nag-airplay, no? And that is really, really cool. Para siya nag-output to a TV because it does perform like a TV, no? A TV. Now, here's an experience that I documented while using the Legion glasses. One of the cool things about owning an iPhone is because it's now using Type-C. So let's see if the Legion glasses will work on the new iPhone 15 Pro Max. Is there a way to turn it on? Oh, it's working. I can see it.
Really?
I can see it.
Watch a video ka?
Wait, hold on. Let me watch my screen. So let me watch a video. But 100% it's working right now. Since it's in portrait mode, what I'm seeing now is currently in portrait mode. I switched to photos. I probably watched one video right here. Oh, look, screen mirroring. And it is now in horizontal mode. Cool. Now, apart from that, Sir Clifford of Lenovo actually also walked us through one of the interesting things, no, that they implemented on the Legion glasses, and that is a way for people na medyo malabong mata, no, to actually get prescription lenses onto the Legion glasses. Na pag bumili ka ng Legion glasses, may kasama sa loob na parang template, no, or mold na you can bring to, let's say, Acevedo Optical, no, I'm not sponsored, but, or maybe other optometricians. At ang gagawin nila is, since may template ka na or mold, ihuhulma nila doon, no, gagayahin nila yung hulma nung pinaka-glass, and that can be put, no, once installed, it can be put on the Legion glasses. Okay na okay yan, no, especially if you have medyo malabo yung mata mo, no. Ako, I only have 175, so I kind of need that, no, in a way, pero kaya ko pa naman. Yeah, it's a really good way of considering people na medyo in a way impaired, no, and I commend Lenovo for doing that. Now, last but not the least, I want to talk about the Legion 9i. The Legion 9i is their flagship device, no, and while it is a very expensive device, no, it's 360,000. We posted something about this, and some of the other content creators based in the Philippines posted about this, and they said na, bakit gano'n? Napakamahal naman yan. And you'll be surprised. 10 yung initial na units na dinala sa Pilipinas. We were told by Ms. Trippy Padilla, no, of Lenovo na ubos na yun. May bumili na, no? And they're already waiting for a few more stocks to come in so they can start accepting orders again. Now, what's special about it? Now, apart from the processor, no, it's a 13th gen Intel. It has up to 4090, 64 gig of RAM. It's really spec'd out. They did something during the event where someone from Intel demonstrated where a game, they played Ghostwire Tokyo, and what they did is while playing the game, they also recorded and also streamed it. So, sabay-sabay. No? Kasi yung real-world scenario, gano'n naman talaga. No? Hindi lang naman basta you benchmark and then you just play a game. The benchmark would just tell you how the system performed at a specific game being played. Sometimes, hindi kino-consider yung other tasks being done while the game is being played. For example, recording the game and also streaming. In typical scenarios, no, for example, for desktop setups, nangyari is when you play a game, you have another system that streams it. You have that game or another system that records it. Pwede yung play while stream on one PC or one system, and then you have another one, you have a capture card also, you have another one that will be used for recording purposes. That's not the case anymore with the Legion 9i, where you can do everything with just one device. No? It's interesting. Now, the peak resource performance cost na nakita namin during the demo is about 85% at peak. That's the highest na inabot niya. That is still very impressive. Desktop class performance, it's at a cost, no? Yung nga lang, no? Because at 350,000 pesos, I could already get myself a decent or really pumped up system already, no? But then again, hindi mo naman pwedeng ilagay sa bag mo yung system unit mo at that price. So there's a message that came in, probably PR. Anyway, so yeah, so those are the things that I actually discovered and experienced here at the AP or Asia Pacific Tour here in Singapore. This, by the way, this video is not even paid by Lenovo. They just actually flew us in here, and that's the only thing that they did. No? Whether they'll be sending us some review units or not, that's something that we will know later on. But then again, at the end of the day, it's going to be your money. It's going to be your choice whether or not you're going to get these products by Lenovo. As usual, we will be publishing our full review of these products, unbiased full reviews of these products. But then again, we'll also be posting some feature videos and articles that would aid you in knowing all or some of the product features of these new items that they announced here in Singapore. With that, thank you so much guys for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye!